Serial 1 automation is all about creating a solution that's tailored to you, your product, your process, and your business. It really takes any shape that you cannot find an off-the-shelf solution for. It could be a singular asset performing a process or a value-added operation on the floor. It could be an entire manufacturing line. It all starts in the upfront process of really understanding and defining the problem statement with the client to make sure that we're solving something that makes business sense for them. We'll start with concept development and feasibility. What are the ideas to solve the problem that we had already identified and defined? And then what risks may exist with that? Are there technical risks? Are there cost risks? Are there things that we need to prove out and gain some comfort before we go too far down a path so that we can pivot appropriately prior to designing and building that equipment?
We build smaller models to sift out bad ideas, bad concepts. We use wood and other low-cost materials because our goal is speed and flexibility. If we do have a concept that's going to fail, we want it to fail fast. Then when we find a concept that is working well, we build a bigger model, add more complexity, and we continue to do that until we have a solution that we believe is going to work in production.
We also want them to be stewards and owners, of the asset when we're all done. Our value is making you more successful. We're not an OEM. We're not going to become a collector of patents. That is yours, and Foth is not making that for anybody else. We have a client that is doing a manual operation because OEM equipment does not exist for the operation that they're doing. So they're manually picking and placing a food article into the packaging. Challenges with that is robotics cannot operate at the rate of speed that they need to do to hit their throughput requirements. Another challenge being space requirements that they have available on a floor.
Our client was really sensitive about certain techniques, such as vacuum. They did not want to use vacuum to pick up the product. We tried some 3D printed grippers, but what we ended up finding working the best was stainless steel polished fingers. We try to take on the most challenging projects our clients have. It's kind of our niche.
Serial 1 automation is really for those clients who have a strategy and want to invest in their product, their process, and their technology. Really what we're doing is redefining custom, and we're truly creating first-of-a-kind solutions that do not exist in the market today.